Hello, good morning, and welcome back to Healthy Bite from Chef in My Kitchen. As we all know now, the season have started, the football season I'm talking about. So in the next few days and few weeks, we're gonna accelerate with healthy snacks, healthy lunches for footballers, for athletes, for everybody else, specifically for footballers and so on, but everybody else can join in. The first one of the series will be Thai noodle with king prawns, and that's what we are doing today. So to start with, what we will do is we need to make the sauce for these noodles. Very, very simple. Some fish sauce, I would say about a teaspoon and a half, couple of teaspoons, no more than that. Is quite salty. You've got to take it on it. We've got Thai red paste, again couple of teaspoons as such. Fresh orange, we need to zest it first as such. Cut it in halves and we get the juice out. As it is quite large orange, I would say just half of it is more than enough for this. And just a small touch of water. And then some brown sugar. Now, a couple of teaspoons, 1, 2. And then let it rest here for a few minutes while we're doing the rest of the dish. If we put our hob on, right, red onion, red pepper. I mean, you can put yellow capsicum if you want, or a green capsicum, or whatever you fancy, still the same. Now I can feel my pan is nice and hot. Organic coconut oil. And then what we do is onion, pepper, fresh garlic, some ginger. Now you've noticed I haven't used any salt or pepper. The reason for that is the fish sauce is quite salty, and the paste in here is quite tangy and hot and chilly, so I wouldn't overdo it with any salt and pepper. Just leave it as, but if you want to put more pepper, be my guest really. Right, so while that is frying nicely, got some Mange Tout here, and we're gonna cut them in halves maybe. Don't dissect them, but in halves would be fine as such. And then some sprouts here we've got. Should you wish to change sprouts for something else like French beans or peas, that is fine too. You don't have to follow exactly one by one the ingredients I'm using, just use your own imagination if you like. Right, so now that is fried, we've got some fresh king prawns here, veins off, make sure your veins are off, and back in here. We shall let it cook till the prawns gets pink color, not before then. I mean, it really doesn't take long. I mean, they started already here, as you can see. In here we've got all pink, so just leave it for a while. Meantime, as that is cooking, get some fresh basil. fresh coriander. We'll go in with our sauce. Very, very simple, but very, very healthy. So as you can see, it's nice and bubbling there, and it's coming up. We go with some Thai noodles, fresh Thai noodles. Here we are, and in. Well, we'll finish it off with some basil and coriander. And there you have it. Thai noodles with peppers, prawns, Mange Tout, and chili sauce, curry chili sauce. And there you have it. Nice, simple, clean, green, organic. I hope you'll enjoy making it, and let us know by email, by Facebook, by Instagram, by Pinterest, even by calling me if you like. Right, enjoy it, and I'll see you soon again.